Question number 9. Divide a square plus 7a plus 12 by a4. I'm going to divide in this way now. Okay. A plus 4. Now in this polynomial, look at the first term. Okay. Now first we need to divide this. Means we have to divide with all the terms together only. But we have to focus more on the first term. It should get divide completely. It means we must get here at least 0 here. Okay. Now in this polynomial, I'm going to take the first term here. So when I'm going to multiply one number with the a, okay, the answer must I get a square here. Okay, and this number I don't know, I'm just keeping it as a capital A here. Now to calculate that value a, I'm going to send this a to the right side. Okay, and a square I'm just writing a into a. A into a, that is a square, and now it comes to the denominator. Now a get cancels, a value how much we got a. Okay, now I'll write here in the place of quotient here. Now see here, I'm going to multiply this a with these two terms here. A into a square. Okay, 4 into a, that is 4a, and here we are having positive sign. Now we need to do subtract. Okay, so in the subtraction, second term's polynomial signs it will get changed here. So it is plus here, it will become minus, and here it is plus, it will become minus now. Now see here, plus a square minus a square get cancelled, right? Now here in these terms, it is having unlike signs. So unlike signs means what we need to do? We need to subtract. 7 minus 4, I'll get 3. And the variable which is a, and the bigger number carrying a positive sign. Now let me take this 12 down, that is plus 12. Now similarly here again we have to look at the first term of this polynomial here. Okay, now after multiplication with a, okay, by some number that I again am considering as capital A here. Okay, that number we need to calculate here. Now 3a by a. Now a get cancels, a value we got, that is 3. I'm going to write here nothing it is there means there will be positive sign. So plus 3. Now we need to multiply this number with both term here. 3 into a, that is 3a. Here it is plus, plus, plus only. 4 3 is 12. Again we are doing here subtraction, right, in the division. Now again the terms signs will get changed. Plus 3a minus 3 get cancels. Plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. So what we got the remainder, that is 0 0. So here after division we found the answer, that is a plus 3 here. Okay. Question number 10. Divide x square plus 3x minus 54 by x minus 6. Okay, now see here in this polynomial we need to cancel first term of this polynomial completely. It means we must get a 0 here. Now we have to look in this term. So here by I'm multiplying to this x by a number that we don't know, I'm considering as a. So after multiplying I must get answer how much is x square. Okay, now to calculate this a, I'm sending this x to right side. So when I'll send, it will become in the form of denominator, because here it is multiplication, it comes in the division form here. Now x square I have written x into x. Okay, that is nothing but x square only. 1x and 1x get cancelled. So a value how much we got, x here. Now I'm going to write it in the quotient place. Now I'm going to multiply this term with the both term of this polynomial here. Okay, x into x, x square. Now minus plus minus 6 into x, I'll get 6x. So we have to do the subtract here. Now in the subtract, second polynomial signs it will get changed. So here minus 6x it will become plus. Here plus x square it will become minus x square here. Now plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Okay, and it is here both terms are like terms and here having the like sign. So we need to add 3x plus 6x, I'll get 9x. Okay, now let me take this term down, that is minus 54. Now similarly how we did here, like that we have to first consider this term here. So after multiplying by some number with the x, we must get answer 9x here. So I am considering this is again capital A, how I did here. Now a equals to 9x by x. It goes to the denominator. X get cancels. A equals to how much I got? I got 9. Now I am going to write here it is. Okay. Now here it is nothing. It is there means it will be positive sign. So the same sign I am going to write here. That is plus 9. Now I need to multiply this term with the both term here. 9 into x, I'll get 9x. Okay. Minus plus minus, and 6 9s are 54. And we have to do subtraction here. Now in the subtract, second polynomial signs it will get changed. Now see here, plus 9x and minus 9x it will get cancels. Minus 54 plus 54 it will get cancelled, and we will get the remainder as a 0. Okay. Now here after division we found the answer x plus 9 here. Okay. Question number 11. Here we need to divide 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square by 3x plus 4y here. Now we have to look at the first term of this polynomial. What is that? That is 12x square. Okay, now we have to consider this term here. Okay, now here we have to multiply by one number. That number we don't know. I'm considering here as a. So when we will multiply that number with 3x, we must get answer how much? 12x square. Okay, now to find out that a value, I'm shifting 3x to the right side. Okay, now see here, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. Okay, now here it is 2x and here it is 1x. If I cancel 1x, how many x left here? Only 1x. So we found a equals to 4x here. I am writing this 4x here in the place of quotient. Okay, now this term we need to multiply with this both term. 4 3s are 12, x into x square. Now see here, 4 4s are 16 and x into y, I'll get xy. 4 4s are 16, xy. Now see here is the positive sign and here we need to do subtract, right? And in the subtraction, second polynomial's signs it will get changed. So here it was plus, it become a minus. Similarly, plus to minus. Now plus 12x square minus 12x square get cancelled. So what got the remainder? That is 0. Now in these like terms, we are having the unlike signs. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So in that case, what we need to do? We need to subtract. So 16 minus 7, I'll be having 9 and terms variables which is having x and y, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign that I'm writing here. And now we need to take this term down, that is minus 12y square. Okay, now how we did here, the same way we have to do here also. Now I'm going to consider minus 9xy, okay, equals to, I'll put it. Now again we have to consider 3x. Again the number we don't know, that I'm writing a here. A equals to minus 9xy by 3x. Okay, now x get cancels, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So a value we found minus 3y. It means when I'll multiply this number with the 3x, now I'll get minus 9xy. Yes or no? Minus plus minus 3 3s are 9, x into y, I'll get xy here. So I'm going to write minus 3y here. Minus 3y. Now we have to multiply this term with the both term of this one. Now minus plus minus 3 3s are 9, x into y, that is xy. Now plus minus minus 4 3s are 12 and y into y square, that is. And we need to do subtract, right? Now the signs again it will get changed here. It was minus become plus, minus become a plus. Minus and plus unlike, so we can cancel here. Minus plus we can cancel here. So we got the remainder, that is 0. Cancel is nothing, but here we are doing subtraction here. So after subtraction we found the answer 0 0. So here after division of this we got the answer 4x minus 3y as the answer here. Question number 12. Divide x raised to the power 6 minus 8 by x square minus 2 here. Now in this polynomial I'm going to consider x6 as the first and here x square. Okay, now see here I'm going to multiply by one number. That number I don't know, so I have considered as a. So when we will multiply these two numbers, I mean term, we can say here we must get answer how much? X raised to the power 6. Now to calculate that I'm shifting x square to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the form of division here. Now both bases are same. Let me shift x square to the numerator. It will become minus 2. So when the bases are same, we will add the powers, right? Okay. Now open the bracket, plus minus minus 2. So x value we will get 6 minus 2, that is 4. Okay. Now x raised to the power we will get. Now x raised to the power I'm going to write in the quotient place. Now start multiplying. X raised to the power 4 into x square, that I'll get x raised to the power 6. Why? Because both bases are same, so we can add the powers, like 2 plus 4 I'll get 6. Okay, now minus I'll get minus 2 x raised to the power 4 minus 2 x raised to the power 4. Okay, now see here we are doing here subtraction, right? Now here the sign it will get changed and here the sign it will get changed, negative to positive. This get cancels, and here as you can see here this term is different, this term is different. So I'm going to write this as a first here, that I'll be plus 2x raised to the power 4 and minus 8. Why? Because the sign has been changed here. Okay, now similar way what we did here, the same way we have to continue here. Now again I'm going to multiply by a number. So when I'll multiply with the x square here, I must get answer 2x raised to the power 4. Now to calculate that, I'm shifting x square to the right side. Okay, now here 2x are there, here it is 4x. If I cancel 2x from this 4, I'll be having a 2x. Okay, like 2x square it is left. 2x square I'm going to write here, that is plus 2x square, because here it was a plus, right? Now start multiplying. Here 2x square into x square I'll be having. Here it is nothing, it is there, means remember 1. 2 into 1, 2. X square into x square I'll be having x raised to the power 4. Okay, after that minus plus minus, 2 2s are 4 and x square. Okay, here 2 plus 2, that I'll get 4. Now subtraction. Now in the subtraction, second terms polynomial signs, it will get changed, minus, and it will become plus. Now this get cancelled. So what left? According to the degree I'm writing here, plus 4x square minus 8 here. Okay, now again to again to subtract this one, I'm going to consider this term first. Again 4x square, we have to consider this x square only, like what we did in this. Here I'm going to do in the same way. Again a equals to 4x square by x square. Now get cancels, a value we got, that is 4 this time. So writing here 4 plus 4, that is okay. Now see here, 4 into x square, I'll get 4x square. Okay, plus minus 4 to the 8, right? Now in this we have to do subtract and change the second term's polynomial signs. Okay, plus 4x square minus 4x square, we can do subtract and like signs. So I'll get a 0 here. Here also minus 8 plus 8. After cancellation, I'll get the remainder as a 0 here. So we found the answer here, this one, after division of this one. Okay.